Okay, we're waiting for the others to check in their first lap. Okay, I see Ronald now at the loop area. Ronald there. We have Alex and with the tandem of Erwin. Okay, Chito na lang. And after the first lap, Miles Bautista is leading this group, followed by Attorney. Chito is third, Erwin fourth, Ronald fifth, Kenneth and Alex. Okay, 3 and 10 to go. Okay, I see. Second lap now being registered by Attorney.
3 minutes left.
Followed by Miles and Kenneth. Okay. Still have to get the laps in by the others to know who is really ahead in this group. Okay, Ronald, 2 laps to his name. Chito, tingin ko akit si Chito, parang mabilis si Chito. Chito there, and Erwin. And after 2 laps, Miles Bautista still leading. Kenneth Marcelino is up to second. Chito is third. Attorney is down to fourth, followed by Ronald, Erwin, and Alex in that order. Just over 2 minutes remaining for the first qualifying run. Okay, Kenneth, short course, get ready. Okay, 2 minutes to go, 2 minutes to go. Oh, sarap naman ng drift noon. May naka-block si Attorney. Attorney! Black is beautiful. Si Ronald naka-block din. Si Ronald naka-block din. Ano ba yan?
Black talaga yan!
Black na talaga si Ronald.
Koche!
Oh, kotse daw!
Okay!
Okay, paki-assist lang ating mga racers. 1 and 30 to go. And still, after the 3-lap mark, we have Miles still ahead of Kenneth Marcelino by just 0.8 of a second. Erwin now up to third, behind by 5 seconds.
Pinagano na nga para tumigil.
Ba to? Laglagan ng laro. Okay. At the
1 minute left.
1 minute mark. Still, Miles Bautista ahead of Kenneth now by 1.9. Separating the two. Ano binabagalan? Ayaw talaga mag-amen. Ano ba yan? Walang kwenta. Loser. Oo, dapat gagalingan nyo. Okay, 30 seconds to go. Still, Miles Bautista ahead of Kenneth.
Hey!
Dito sa aking kwan ha, lap counter. Baka mamaya on the road inunahan na ni Kenneth si Miles. Okay, side by side racing between Miles and... Ayun! Miles and Kenneth now separated by 4 seconds.
Ang bilis niya yan!
Hindi ko! Babawi! Ayaw talaga. Babawi si Kenneth. Si Kenneth ba yun? Okay, time has expired.
Nakapula?
Don't stop till I say you're done. Si Kenneth ba yung naka-menstruation rate na sasakyan? Yung menstruation rate. Grabe. Yung isa naman Earwax gold na yellow. Okay, sige, go. Wala pang done ha. One more lap. Mga Chito, one more lap. Sige, go. No one is done yet. Si Miles sigurado will be done once he pass by the loop. Let's see. First to be done, Miles is done. 6 laps, Kenneth done. 9 by 7, Alex, you're done. Okay, Tordy, you're done. Chito na lang, Erwin and Ronald, yung mga laglag boys. Gusto raw sa B-main. Nag-uusap-usap sila rito, huwag daw gagalingan. Gusto yata samahan si Alex sa B-main. Ba't di daw pag nakaime? Loser. Ito na.
Car 5
Okay, Ronald, done. Tito will be done.